I know I'm not good in telling you what's on my mind because I'm not perfect in English. But inside my heart, you know, you're always here because I love you so much. Mahal kita. Thank you for not judging me and my past and just loving me. I'm really sorry that I hurt you. I'm going back to the Philippines today. I wish you all the happiness and success. I will never forget you. Patricia.
You're leaving me. I'm sorry. Tell me. Don't think about what to say. Just tell me how you feel.
Rob, mahal kita. Hindi ko kayang mawala ka sa buhay ko. Hindi ko alam kung paano maitutuloy ito, pero alam ko kaya natin basta magkasama tayo.
I don't care what it takes. Because I know we can make this work. I love you and everything about you. Mahal din kita. You choose. Pili ka.
What for?
Panahon minsay matamis, minsay mapait. Kahit gano'n man kasakit, walang kapalit. Wagas ang kwento ng ating pag-ibig, di mo akalain sa ganito ako.
Yun talaga yung the best gift na na-receive ko sa buong buhay ko. Yun nga, yung ring na yun, na which is yan, suot ko hanggang ngayon. And after 2 days, we decide, okay, let's get married. Tayo na lang dalawa, let's go to the court.
Yeah, we just decided, okay, enough waiting, let's just do it. And we went to the court and got married.
Wagas ang kwento ng ating pag-ibig, di mo akalain sa ganito aabutin. Wagas, kailanman ay di magbabago. Habang buhay kitang pagsisilbihan, habang buhay kitang aalagaan, ang nagmamahalan ng tunay ay siyang wagas. Paano kung ika'y
True love is loving somebody unconditionally. Of course, you know, everyone will say that. Being able to withstand those, the ups and downs of a relationship, being able to accept the highs and lows, the good, the bad of each person, compromising, understanding, being patient. That's true love.
Ang wagas na pag-ibig para sa akin ay unang-unang pagmamahal sa Panginoon. Dahil siya lang po ang magkukonek ng pagmamahal na yon sa taong minamahal mo.
Ako si Dr. Rob.
Ako po si Patricia Javier. Ito po ang kwento ng aming wagas na pag-ibig.
Habang buhay kita, habang sisilbi